Yeah, Vicki, Rick, there was considerable debate at that committee hearing today, with some saying private conversations should not be subject to Kentucky's open records law, but others worrying about the potential for abuse.
Our Kentucky open records statutes were written in the 1970s before anybody had really conceived of email or text messaging.
House Bill 509 says any public official, from a city employee to a board member, should be given an official government email and should only conduct public business via that email, not private email or personal text messages. But it also exempts private email or text messages from Kentucky's open records law.
So this bill lives on the fault line in between the public's right to know and the individual's right to privacy. And as such, there is some heat and pressure on that fault line, which we've all experienced in recent days. And, and I have sympathies on both sides.
The bill's sponsor, Louisville Republican John Hodgson, says public officials caught discussing public business via private emails or texting can be disciplined. But media law attorney Michael Abate fears that's not likely to happen.
It creates a giant loophole and it encourages people to walk right through it.
Instead, he worries public officials will use private text messaging to shield their conversations from the Open Records Act.
We just saw this week the Jefferson County Public Schools audit said that employees felt encouraged to use text message instead of emails because it was perceived they were less subject to open records requests. Now, that's not true as a matter of law. We've litigated and won that issue. But if this bill passes, that will become the law.
There was also concern about a line that would remove the phrase public officials from the Open Records Act, with some warning it would make Governor Andy Beshear and others exempt from the open records law.
I'm the legislative director for Americans for Prosperity. For those of you who know us, we're a more conservative organization, so the fact that we are here with the Kentucky Press Association should raise alarm bells. Freedom of information laws like the Kentucky Open Records Act allow everyday citizens to hold those in power to account.
Now, lawmakers could be voting on bills very late tonight, so this one might come up, and tomorrow's going to be another long day for them as they rush to get as much done as possible before the veto break. Mark Vanderhoff, WLKY News.